two spliced circular tube graphics imported here. First, enter value such as 5. These two round tubes are a splice figure. First, select the round tube and nest. These are two types of pipes, one round pipe, one square pipe, and two corresponding parts. The cutoff distance is the length of the remaining tail. Conform and nest. All its parts will carry out a common edge, because we choose the order of the common edge. You can select individual parts to see where they are. It shows total length, remaining length, number of parts. Now it's the display of sorting function. Can import cutting head configuration. A model of the cutting head can be imported. There is an associated 3D file. Import 3D files. The actual size of the laser head can be displayed during simulation. Make sure to sort. Click to stimulate. You can see the actual size drawing of a BMAC11 during simulation, according to the size of BM111.